Welcome and thank you for visiting my channel again, and if you're new, a warm welcome to you too. Today we're just going to try another design. I don't really have anything in mind or planned. As usual, will start off with a base coat and cure that for 30 seconds. But we're not going to use a base coat today, as this is just for demonstration purposes. We're just going to go in straight with our color. We're just going to apply the first layer very thinly and cure that for 30 seconds. As black is a difficult color to work with, it needs to cure properly. So we're just going to apply our first color or first layer. Now that we've got the first layer on, we're just going to cure that for 30 seconds. And now we've got our second coat on and we cured that for 60 seconds, and we're going to carry on with our design. I was thinking of using some silver flakes. I just took out a few pieces and took it apart, creating small pieces. We're just going to lay this onto the tacky layer after the nails have been cured. And then I'm just using my cuticle pusher to dab it down a bit. And while I was busy doing this, I decided that it was sort of a mistake, as I wanted to play with some stamping images. And this was going to interfere with my stamping images. And as you all know, the canvas of the nail is not that big to play with, but we're just going to carry on regardless. But before we're going to do some stamping, I'm just going to put a layer of matte top coat on each of these nails and cure that for 30 seconds. Before we carry on with our stamping. The stamping plate I'm going to be using is BG19 by Bling. And we're just going to use some of the butterflies. And the stamping polish I'm using is from Nicole Diary, the silver color. And now that we're done with our stamping, I'm just mixing a bit of top coat with a bit of glitter, which we're going to apply onto our images with a liner brush. I'm just going over the image lightly with my liner brush with a bit of glitter here and there. And by doing this design, some images with more of a negative space would have been much better. It would have worked out much better. But I'm just going to carry on doing what I'm doing by filling in some of the images. And once we're done with this, we will cure it again for 60 seconds. And now that we've cured our designs, we're just gonna add a no wipe top coat to each nail, and we're gonna cure that again for 60 seconds. Like doing this design would be another option instead of using some crystals, just to give the nail a bit of a sparkle. Thank you for taking the time yet again to visit my channel. I hope you've enjoyed watching. Keep well, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.